to solve the equation 2 the power mod of x plus 2 minus mod of 2 the power x plus 1 minus 1 equals to 2 the power x plus 1 plus 1. We are having the absolute value of x plus 2 in the power of 2. So for this we need to take the two cases. The first one is what value of x we are getting for x plus 2 greater than equal to 0. And the second case is if x plus 2 is strictly less than 0, then what value of x we get. Before starting with the solution, let's recall this remark that absolute value of x is equal to x if x is greater than equal to 0 and is equal to minus x if x is strictly less than 0. So we are going to use this result in the solution. Okay, so this is the given equation and two cases arises. For the case 1, let x plus 2 is greater than equal to 0. Then, in this case, absolute value of x plus 2 is equal to x plus 2. So this given equation becomes 2 the power x plus 2 minus mod of 2 the power x plus 1 minus 1 equals to 2 the power x plus 1 plus 1. Taking this right hand side to the left hand side, we get 2 the power x plus 2 minus 2 the power x plus 1 minus 1 minus mod of 2 the power x plus 1 minus 1 equals to 0. I can write this as 2 the power x plus 1 plus 1. That can also be written as 2 the power x plus 1 into 2, right? So writing this, 2 the power x plus 1 into 2 minus 2 the power x plus 1 minus 1 equals to mod of 2 the power x plus 1 minus 1. So taking 2 the power x plus 1 common, we get 2 minus 1 and then minus 1 equals to mod of 2 the power x plus 1 minus 1. So this is 2 the power x plus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. So minus 1 equals to mod of 2 the power x plus 1 minus 1. Now this factor is equal to the mod of itself. That is the result that if mod of x is equal to x, then x is greater than equal to 0. So for this we write 2 the power x plus 1 minus 1 to be greater than equal to 0. So this implies 2 the power x plus 1 minus 1 is greater than equal to 0. That is 2 the power x plus 1 is greater than equal to 1. And this 1 can be written as 2 the power 0. And when equating the powers, we get x plus 1 to be greater than equal to 0. That implies x is greater than equal to minus 1. So for x plus 2 greater than equal to 0, we get x to be greater than equal to negative 1. For the case 2, let x plus 2 is strictly less than 0. Then mod of x plus 2 is equal to negative of x plus 2. Right? Now the given equation becomes 2 the power. Now here we are having in the equation mod of x plus 2. So writing now negative of x plus 2 minus mod of 2 the power x plus 1 minus 1 equals to 2 the power x plus 1 plus 1. Right? Okay. To solve this equation, let's substitute 2 the power x plus 1 equals to y. Now this first term can be written as it is 2 the power negative of x plus 2, right? So this is equal to 2 the power negative of x plus 1 plus 1 and can also be written as 2 the power negative of x plus 1 into 2 the power minus 1. Yes. So taking this to the denominator, we get 1 divided by 2 into 2 the power x plus 1. Is it okay? Alright. Further, we put this 2 the power x plus 1 as y. So this is 2 into y. So this first term is equal to 1 divided by 2y. Is it okay? Fine? Alright. So this equation becomes 1 divided by 2 into y minus mod of y minus 1 equals to y plus 1. So this further implies 1 minus 2y into mod of y minus 1 equals to 2y square plus 2y. Taking this to the other side, we get 2y square plus 2y plus 2y into mod of y minus 1 equals to 1. Now here we are having absolute value of y minus 1, right? So first case, if y minus 1 is greater than equal to 0, then y is greater than equal to 1. And if y is greater than equal to 1, then this complete left hand side is strictly greater than 1. Then left hand side of equation, let me mark this as 1. And second case, if y minus 1 is strictly less than 0, then mod of y minus 1 is equal to negative of y minus 1. So now the equation 1 becomes, this is 2y square plus 2y plus 2y into negative of y minus 1. So writing this as minus 2y y minus 1 equals to 1. So this is 2y square plus 2y minus 2y square plus 2y equals to 1. These two cancelled out and we get 4y equal to 1, or y is equal to 1 divided by 4. Can also be written as 1 divided by 2 square, or is equal to 2 the power minus 2. Right? And what we have taken y to be as? It is 2 the power x plus 1. As y is equal to 2 the power x plus 1. So 2 the power x plus 1 is equal to 2 the power minus 2. Equating the powers, this implies x plus 1 is equal to negative 2. X is equal to minus 2 minus 1, that is x is equal to negative 3. So for the second case, that is for x plus 2 to be strictly less than 0, we are getting x equals to minus 3. So we are getting two solutions, x equal to minus 3 for x plus 2 strictly less than 0, and x is greater than equal to negative 1 for the case if x plus 2 is greater than equal to 0. So if x plus 2 is greater than equal to 0, we get x to be greater than equal to negative 1. And for x plus 2 strictly less than 0, we get x to be equal to negative 3. So this is the required solution. Alright, thank you.